wena indaba kaCwecwe yo yenze like ingenze ngabathasha wathamba ngithemba ngicela ukubone ngafila ngathi ngabiza amajidi ukuthi madoda student like a student like into engisayi nama lapha endlini mfethu nyasho ukuthi yo sokuthi ngizolanda abantu mara ngizotula nawo
I compose kanjani
like hayi mina mfethu ngifast like
yeah
fast namanje sawubona lifa sengicabangile so injalo yabo bezama bengikhile ngicabanga ukuthi mangenzile uCwecwe just the concept because everywhere you go to Cwecwe Cwecwe so namba ngathi nje Phela amafana azojabula ngisho ukuthi Cwecwe ayabona ukuthi okay lo general uya relate unathi like bayajabula into ezincane ezenza ukuthi mfethu like abantu ba recognize
ukuthi
aware yabo but amajidi amabhayo aka recognize and uhlala wazi lento le kaCwecwe isemajidini mangaba sibhekana bafuna ukubona ukuthi how amajidi will react
I ignorant
already. My question is, why does it even have to get to the point whereby siyalwa thina as a country, like what is the law doing about this whole thing?
No, yabona le yomthetho to be honest ne into besasheni after ukuthi kube kumlungu ngabe ukhala isibhamu South Africa like bathi amajidi ayashona because uhlala wazi umlungu oreji umuntu omnyama
yo
but bheka manje bayisurface umlungu oreji umuntu omnyama like akuna okay sharp we see ama shutdown ama march ne but there's no like a valid action esibonayo like ubonisa ukuthi okay
sibona ama protest
ama protest okay sharp like
something but
sayifeel into yabo ne sayifeel into ukuthi okay umntwana nami ngiyayifeel like ne but I feel like to be honest le awuthi yenze into le bemele into zibe simple mina ugogo wami yazothini uthi umuntu la kumele bamfake acid la bese amfake isigubhu la achame ngepipe maso rape bakufaka bakhiphe lento le surgically uhlali ngena uchame ngepipe because into ezoyenze sokhuza abantu sithi project amantombazane
I say death penalty bra what
no hayi ukumbulela sizosho but ukuthi like as no
7-year-old child bro 7-year-old
but
principal you're supposed to protect like a 7-year-old.
I'm saying that the system is gonna protect him.
In any show which is aware the system is cool. It's on protect even though we can fight and do what the matches and what you will see after the next maybe 2 months utlobona itothule taba ya eCwecwe. Yeah then bega ifanele kasenzo meyiko kuthula ukuthi hayi case then go like
Mara, I hope Oscar Pistorius writes a movie, the chief.
Because
it's money.
Why?
So I system dog, it's broken.